In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice comments to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to record quick audio notes and attach them to cells so your collaborators can hear context instead of just reading text. Begin by opening Google in your browser. At the top right, click the Apps grid icon, then choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet where you want to leave a voice comment. If you're working with a team, make sure the file is shared with the people who need to listen later, so they can access your note. At the top menu, click Extensions. From there, go to Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Voice Notes for Google Docs, beep. Look for the extension that supports recording audio notes and install it. You may be asked to pick your Google account and allow permissions so the add-on can record audio and attach links. That's normal for this type of tool. Once the add-on is installed, open it and get ready to record. When you're set, click the red Record button to start speaking. Keep your message clear and focused on the specific cell or data you're discussing. If there are numbers involved, say them slowly so listeners can follow along. Click the red button again to stop recording when you're done. Next, click Save in the add-on. It will generate a shareable link to your audio note. Copy that link. If you plan to share the sheet widely, it's a good idea to keep recordings concise. Name them clearly if the add-on allows, and double-check that the link's sharing settings let your collaborators listen without requesting access. Now, switch back to your spreadsheet. Right-click the cell you want to annotate with your voice comment and choose Comment. In the comment box, paste the link you just copied. You can add a brief line of text if you want to label the note, like audio explanation, but the link itself is what your collaborators will click to hear your message. Finally, click Comment to post it. That's it. You've recorded a voice note, saved it, copied the link, and attached it directly to a cell comment in Google Sheets. From now on, whenever someone hovers over that cell or opens the comment, they'll have one-click access to your audio. This is perfect for quick context, nuanced feedback, and saving time on back-and-forth emails. Happy annotating!